Hello guys, back from the vlog. Sorry for the long break. It's another day from school, going home. So, try ko nga mag-English, Tagalog. Lakad lang tayo. Ano naman masyado nangyari sa akin na pwede kong sabihin. Nothing interesting enough. Medyo mabigat sa kamay kaya nakababa ako dahil sa jacket. Muntik na tayong tamaan. So, susubukan ko na ulit mag-daily. Daily na hindi kasama yung Saturday, Sunday. Because those day doesn't have school, so I won't be able to